Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel BBTechHub. So I'm going through the CCNA series, and in this CCNA series right now I'm in OSI reference model track, and today I will give you the clear concept about this application layer, why it is application layer. And always remember what happens as a human being when we are interacting with the computer, the device. We are just input something, whether it is letter, text, whatever number we are. So what happens? That means here there is something is giving the interface between the human being and the machine. And that is why this layer is called as man-machine interface layer. Which layer? This layer, we call this layer as the man-machine interface layer. We are interacting in this layer, man and machine. And sometimes, somewhere you will get that user interface layer also. Am I clear? So in this layer, an human being can interact with the system. How? Suppose think a situation. You are working in a system and you are typing www.gmail.com. Your system is interconnected with the internet, and here there's my Gmail server. Am I clear, everybody? So now you tell me www.gmail.com means what? You are requesting for the mail service. Whose mail service? Google's mail service. Am I clear? The moment I type this thing www.gmail.com, that means as an user, I am requesting for the mail service from the Google domain. Now the question is that if in my system there is no browser is there, could I request for that? No. That means what happens? Browser is giving me the environment where as an user, I can request for the service. Is it clear? That means you have to understand the internet is full of servers, and the servers are ready to provide the service. And we are the users, we are the client, we need those services, but we have to request for that services. That means the layer which gives us the facility to interact with the internet server, that layer is called as the application layer or man-machine interface layer, or you can say the user interface layer. In this layer, what happened? We are the client, we are the user, request to the internet server for our services. So you also know whenever we are asking or requesting for something, we just write an application like that. Here is also a human being when requesting for some services to the internet server, nothing but they have to go through a request mode. So obviously remember one thing, whenever we type such type of things in the browser, means we are requesting to the servers for particular services. Am I clear? So this is the layer. This is nothing but my application layer. In this layer, we are doing the same task. And of course, here who is facilitating us? That is nothing but the browser. What is browser? Browser is an application software. Am I clear? You can see it is an application software which provides the interface so that an user can interact with the internet servers. Ab batao, you tell me, in your computer no browser is there, can you access internet? You think it? We cannot access internet. Is it clear? Now here is a question. There are several servers standing over there. All server is ready with the services. We also user want the services. Then what to do? To avail every service, there is a protocol is defined. And these all are the application layer protocol, and every protocol is responsible for providing specific service. Am I clear? So what happens? So as an user, we have to go through the proper way, proper service, proper protocol. If we don't call the proper protocol, we will not get the proper service. Okay. So now see, this is the application is the seventh layer of the OSI model. What I told, this layer provides the interface between the user and the machine. In this layer, a human being can interact with the system and they put their request, what service they are asking for. So there are several protocol working in this layer. That is DNS, DHCP, FTP, TFTP, SMTP, POP3, IMAP, NNTP, SNMP, Telnet, HTTP, all protocols are performing unique service. As a user, what service we are asking for, we have to use that protocol. Like if you ask the name resolution service, call DNS. You want TCP/IP setting automatic. So you need the DHCP service. You want the file upload and down, you go for the FTP service. Am I clear? So if there is no application layer, that means we cannot interact with the system. We cannot interact with internet. We cannot get service. We are out of the network. So I think you understood the concept of the application layer. So this is the foremost thing layer where we human beings interacting with the system. That means whenever we are typing something, remember we are in the application layer. So I think this concept is clear. If still there is any doubt, so I told you also, please put in the comment. Within 24 hours, I will reply you. Thank you.